Fishing rod when I put it in I tie it on the fishing rod and lower it into the water. I'm gonna say I'm gonna buy a rope, but him said no, a film fishing line can do it, so we can see where that go.
See where I go outside. It's been ages, bro. It's been ages, bro. I'm gonna bring deodorant.
So now go swim, man.
That's true.
No, man. You can purge your body there.
Mate, I couldn't shrug in the dog, and I have to just water I did, and I want to look bossy, glasses and beer things.
You have to push for going in the water, you see me?
I said push for going in the water.
See who on the man's shirt? See who on the man's shirt? What character
that? Alright, forward. So it's been ages. Look a bit more light. How?
Look for your bucket.
You want to look for your bucket?
Yeah.
Where you have a bucket in your car?
Yeah, we have a bucket. Your car is that one there? No, that's too dirty. Oh, I look for bucket.
So I night that beside of the car. I come go Portland in the morning, yeah. It's almost 11 o'clock. By the time I go leave out to go Portland. It's been ages since I've done any road trips in Jamaica. Been super busy. But I sort it out.
Slang.
You make it popular then?
Yeah.
Just reached Portland. Like after what time now? Basically 3 o'clock. Oh, just after 2, but just reached Portland start. I'm not like just the drive. Wouldn't mind them just fix the road. So today we are going to do something called magnetic fishing. Is it me? And some other little adventure. Is it me? We're at Blue Lagoon right now. Very nice place. Is it me? So I gotta see what the team up to right now. Cheddar, check. Yo, feel the weight of this.
Some big fish this catch.
Nah, the weight of this. Sure, man. Heavy, don't it?
Heavy dog. Full of weight.
You man, I can catch a big fish.
You see it?
Alright, bossy, what are the plan for today?
So today we are doing some magnet fishing at Blue Lagoon, Portland. Yeah. Let's see if we can find a bike in the water.
Let's find a bike in the water. In the water?
Bike, you say what?
No, we're not using it.
Yeah, the man mark your fishing rod, dog.
You're supposed to can do the trick with that. How much is this? 100 grand. No.
100 grand. Jano, I feel the weight of it. Oh yeah, take a picture.
Check that out.
Man.
What's up? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Mate, what kind of fishing line is this? Marlin. How long do you have it?
Probably about 5 months now. This is the leader. It's like 100 feet of line, and then you have the regular green line where you sit under this. So when I roll it off, the giant, see, it's quite a giant. You can't use this, huh?
Why?
I can't reel a big fish, brother. You think I get tired in there?
So long, it's like you mount it on the boat or something?
No, you have a thing where you put around your waist, so you catch it right there, so, and then you clip on them 2 things, yeah? And you hold it so. Just hold it there, so, and then you guide the line across like so. Watch this.
You're there.
Hold it and try really. Wait. Why? You see how you? No, hold up right up.
Hold up right up. Yeah.
One hand, You can't move.
I can't move
You
it.
can't move it.
Look for it, yes.
Yo, you can't catch me a struggle on the camera.
Alright,
Fish
use
now
your.
pull harder than this.
Yeah, man, fish out that and even half a string, brother.
Yo, got them all in them jar way more power.
It just went like so.
Mate, where you go? Oh, if I cause it might cut you.
Yeah. I'm trying to pull in fish.
How much fish you ever catch with this, like big fish?
Probably about 5 already. I'm not really doing much fishing from already still because of the weather.
My, but this man have bone and arrow, the man have everything for the wildlife. You know?
You know, I think already.
I swear.
I'm ready, you know?
Hold on.
Set up a GoPro.
Run.
Let's go in the lagoon.
See this?
Benson, I can't do no fishing out there. Protect the area.
But we're blowing that thing for that.
It
What?
good, my youth. Burn up on that. Set it right.
Man buy Max lens, Jano, watch money.
You know. How it go on? Oh.
Yeah, set up it. Yo, what is GoPro? What is GoPro?
Yeah, GoPro product.
Bomba money.
You have to invest in the product in my youth. Can't just right now go on.
Come on, see it.
Housing.
Yeah.
Hold on, you can't take out the housing, so.
No, but just a flicker
Oh.
or so.
Suppose you can lock on now.
Yeah, wait.
Spin it now, mate. You no spin it.
Spin dog.
You no spin yet. You no stop yet.
That's it.
In all lane no flush.
Yeah.
It flush?
Flush now, man.
Yeah, no look like it's fresh.
That me I say no like enough. It flush.
I might take that back and set it next to why this on.
Much of dog read this. My love vlog and I see the close them dog.
Wait, I record.
Yes, man say fired big dog.
Yeah, I just
I know
say.
you know
No, I just say it stay there. I can't change. I can't change my fire dog.
Yeah, wide angle lens are the type of have a hair stand.
Oh, you just.
man say fired
Kind of
big dog.
Egyptian.
They fix it?
Yeah, I think this fresh now. Yeah, this look fresh now though.
Let me see.
You still have the 10 to 18 Sony?
No, that's a long time.
I'm still how wide that be now.
10 to 18.
Yeah, ready?
You try it now? Ready? Alright, we'll go
Oh
cross.
boy, the thing well wide.
Let me see.
I wanna go and get cloud everybody I wanna go.
Max lens?
Can't get me.
Yeah. Wide, you know? Look who's over there, look who's over there, sir.
Oh, yeah.
So the GoPro mic. The
That's
mic.
how them I get everybody, sir.
Everybody. Oh yeah, I can see it on the screen. Yeah. That's a good buy. You have one? You never buy none.
Yeah, we have about 9. What, a 10 or 9?
10. 9.
Alright, what is it, man?
Can't be saying have a fin my youth. Why if you left it? It's crazy. Yo, the lagoon just always look pretty all the time, you know, man. Oh, me. Which one? Oh, yeah. But too bad the camera can't be seeing the water. But we now go. But the inner son now go there. More than likely, me I go over here, so.
Oh, everybody I go by yourself?
Yeah. You know,
You
but
know, go. What do you need for the
No? Alright, hold on, I'm gonna get Cardi, I go up on the boat?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna get the
Alright, that's what I'm going
Oh no man, but them I stay over here, so. I just make him every now and then just turn on his camera.
Yeah.
You think that? So give me the case to the speaker. The mic. Yeah, man, it's right somewhere you have to, right there some, man. Right there some, so get me get to, what it's,
Yes, talk about
I
you.
get it tip it. I get it tip it, man, so. Just do wide on, not sure, just do wide on.
Just slow it down, yeah.
Just do wide on.
Whoa!
Yo, the thing I ready now? Watch it. Yo. No.
Hear they?
Yo. People that go down here, sir?
Might have enough card for this?
That's not deep, man.
Oh, that's not deep.
That's not deep. Look
No,
up.
I shut up what this here.
I mean, that's not the shutter part.
Oh, how deep is this?
Roughly 180.
180?
Yeah, roughly 180. At the deepest start wide narrow. So that's why the closest part to go to.
And how deep is Blue Lagoon?
About 180 feet.
Overall?
Overall.
Whoa.
Alright.
Oh yeah, bring it up. Yeah, take it up now.
Yeah. So these are the first show.
Okay. Oh. Yo, go on.
Oh, you need a better brace.
Achoo, one of a brace.
Yeah.
Cause the man get a big snapper.
No. Alright, so these are the first.
You're right, that's a C leader.
Oh, see that?
It'll come up.
Alright. Put it out. What is the pressure?
Yo, hold it.
Hold it over there. Yeah, man, I said, not at the point, man. I said feed every month.
Set feed everywhere. You have to go over which direction? Do you not get nothing?
I shut up part this up.
Oh, this is the shallow part.
Yeah. You know, something probably all the funny thing.
Yo, this risky, you know. Yo, there is a deep, you know. I swear there's a deep.
So you know, have a deep line rod where you could have see the feet.
Oh, you could have, me that ask if you could have see the feet on this.
No.
Oh, you can't see it.
Not at the point, see?
Not at all. Empty.
I just saw it heavy.
Alright, well, I'll try again.
So I go over look.
One part of them one were deep.
It on? We soon come over there, sir. Soon.
Alright. So what can I do? Try to get video from over there so get the audio?
We soon come over there, sir. Go on there, thing.
What kind of thing the man are going to do?
No, something the job always a 3D now. From the platform.
Yeah, and I need a tree. Because over there say platform normally.
Platform.
Right. That part. Alright.
Over that side, I got more kind of things. That's why people normally jump from. Yeah, jump off high tree. Come on, enough.
Yeah, man, but this one GoPro last over there one time. I swear.
Really?
Yeah. More than one time.
What?
It was a Euro 10, no, Euro 8 at the time.
Too bad we can't see what they do.
You see me?
So, I think.
So I'm trying to need that so.
Try.
I'm not sure. Just lower it down beside the boat.
Yeah, beside the boat.
Just lower it.
Yeah. Right.
Hold it down. Hold it.
Still a go. That's it? That's it? Whoa. So, like, wanna get something?
Pop.
What?
Pop.
The wire pop?
Yeah.
Jano. Oh, you know, say, sir, say you never have something to make the card like float a bit, but that not gonna be possible. John no star, man, him lose the card. Second. Jano. Second attempt and the man lost the magnet. So them something kind of risky. So what's the next plan right now?
But I don't mind if you do that more.
John Rooster! A long drive that's in there. Yo, that rough.
By about 3 pounds.
Rough.
Fine.
Raj, you know it. It's gone. The magnet is gone.
No, but I can buy it man, they're not gone far enough.
Yeah, but so that means, but you could have free dive go down, so.
Water murky.
Murky, and that's the thing.
I mark his spot, man.
Where you mark the spot? How you mark it?
On my phone.
Oh, Google Maps.
I use Google Maps. It's a fishing app or use and mark the spot like shipwreck and everything.
Oh. Six. Alright. Guess we have to go back in right now. I have to go back in. Unfortunately.
Alright, Pedro, pass the wine in the back.
Where you want?
The wine.
The wine?
Yeah.
Where you talking about?
The roots of
The roots?
the man. Yeah, more magic sample on the camera. The roots wine, natural roots wine.
Natural roots.
The natural roots wine, man.
So what is it, like strong back?
You know.
So you don't know what you want.
I joke, man. Yeah, so
Man say no know, but he want Rad for try this.
Yeah,
This.
yeah, yeah.
Even know what is.
One
A
out,
bit more darkness. Strong
You
back.
never have no skill.
Jano Star. So we'll go
You should have one
back.
in there, that bench.
Go back to the shore.
we don't have it now.
Pedro, you don't have no let him shot there.
What?
Like when you mark this, you have been a mold it so.
Yeah. I have different angle with my cameraman.
Oh, alright.
I have different angle with my cameraman. We lost it. The second throw and it pop. It's the second throw and it pop.
But do you really want to go way down there?
Yeah. Straight.
Watch your road.
What? Yo, Ian, watch your head.
Yeah. Watch out.
Watch out. Careful.
Yo, so one shark over there, sir.
What?
Shark over there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yo, that was so close. Ah, Jano. Alright, so. We have to go do something else.
Yeah.
Dog, man, that's the metal, dog. Man, give up on life. Can't believe that the thing just last. You know no more?
Just gone.
No, we're not no more.
Cool. So if you come on the work without being prepared.
We never expect the magnet for just go away so easy.
See if I lost it before?
Yeah, but in a proximity, in a range, you can take it up back.
Or the same magnet with the last time?
Yeah.
So what the motive first idea now?
You can still take it up back it in a range.
Very deep range.
I just 100 and something feet, you know?
Don't worry, man. My dive go feet, man. A simple one, too.
With the live vest? So what be the next motive, dog, like over there?
I have a thing there. Yo, Ian and Pedro. When you want to see a magic trick? Yeah, the man will leave.
What the magic trick right now?
You want to see the magic trick, yes or no?
Yeah, let me see the magic trick.
Alright, hold on. Go to water.
I never go there. I must say this still a roll, you know?
I might come here do the thing.
I mean, camera do the thing with.
Right there.
Him over there, so. Alright, so we'll take a swim in the water. It's been ages since I've been in Blue Lagoon, isn't it? So take a swim, fly my drone and just take a see water pre.
Start good gym.
Oh.
Me, man.
If you lift them camera, you can go at easy gym work, man. Your man belly, bombard! Man belly, man.
Abs, you know?
Alright, put on this. Where can now? Wait,
Bro,
what
if
going?
I stand up and look at my abs.
You said this
Alright,
one?
Pedro, sample this. The Ital Roots wine. Alright, you know what for do, man?
No,
You know what for do?
Wait, man, the record I don't miss it. I say, you know what, so
Jano style.
Alright. Where you get this? You try it already?
Yeah, I'm try it already.
But this not open.
No, not that. I'm not try that one there. No, sip the thing, man, with a year one.
Not taste bad.
I thought we don't get something that tastes bad.
You say proper.
Nice.
My back feel.
Oh Yo, you can't lift up anything I know.
I know right now any mampy.
Any man.
Any mampy get lift up.
Alright, mad team. Gotta like it.
Are you make it?
No, I mean make it. The
Taste good still.
person named Ita Lee, and it named Ita thing there.
Yeah man, feel like I'm laxing man, bro.
Alright, so may I show you the magic trick now.
What am I?
Let's taste it. Where the ready Claude? Alright. Make sure you show them reaction after I do the magic trick, you know. Alright, ready?
May I see your foot?
Yeah, some foot? Alright, ready. What you're about to see is real. Okay?
Okay.
Never been seen before. Ready?
Yeah.
No way! Oh my god.
Judge.
Why you do that? You just appear from this, sir. Right here.
You say magic.
Magic. Alright. What next now?
Man, I build up the video in that.
You see it.
Man, I build up the video. I think I'm gonna get the control with the screen. That him up?
Yeah, I hit him up, man.
Yeah? No. Man bush. Man said man a shaky warrior. So another successful vlog. A very interesting day. My skin look white, look pale. Oh, not white but pale. But today did good. But unfortunately we lost the magnet. That's very sad. But today did good. It was a good vibe. So actually I'm gonna head back in Kingston right now. I'm hungry. After eating the cheese patty. I may have a cheese patty and cocoa bread left. Cause you know so that's expensive right now, so I can't afford to make that waste. Alright, so I'll go head back in, probably get something else to eat, but today was a good day, good vibe. You see me? We made it here safely. We need to reach back home safely. You see me? So I don't know what's going to be the journey going back. I rode them bad. Just really bad. So I'm so one. Just get some food. So we're what is the name? Dog, this safe?
Errol, no, I'm tell you, Errol Flynn Marina.
100% not safe.
No, 100% not safe. Where's the place him?
The name Errol Flynn Marina Park.
My dog, your list tongue and throw me off, dog.
No, well, them board in a go.
Dog! Dog! Suppose that if you drop you in a mic, me laugh, you know?
We just sit down with like step of the thing and sing to
My if you drop you in a dog, me laugh, you know? But right this on the oh, right this a look. Alright, this a deepish man.
Yeah, really.
No man, meaning if you drop in, you know
Right, so, yeah man, yeah so.
yeah, that may say to have a good depth.
Just walk by them part and which by bolt up.
Yeah, this is the best part for walk.
No, I can't say this.
What's more jumping in the water?
Yeah, one, what you see one.
Yeah, man, we can throw some magnet.
Yo, dog, we could have come some woman and send all the drone and me.
All the drone can't go in there, dog.
See that bottom, yeah, no man, yeah. Just send his drone down way.
The drone can't, not yet, the
Oh, the water drone you talk about?
Yeah. Remember, it have light and things.
Yeah.
That should be a 6 meter.
I'm sure I go.
Y'all buy now?
No, no, me.
Right, the old fire
That's it. Yo, anytime nobody say right down the road, the dog, my friend, you know. Jano Star, Portland nice, and I could live at that place, yeah. Could live at Portland. My son,
Uncle
Ian,
Pedro.
you don't know. Dog, look at the thing that's distort my face.
The fire look big.
Yeah, dog, I have a big fire. I'm not over this, sir.
Yeah? Oh, that's some nice and have a vibe, dog.
What, people swim right there, sir? They must swim right there, sir.
No, sir.
That's how nice to swim, man.
Yeah, dog. You the swim right there, sir, now?
Yeah. This will be me, you know, Peter Mckinnon when him go up on the dock with him drone and the jet ski. And so it looked on the water.
But the thing is right there, sir, I got tired.
Huh?
I got well tired.
Not tired, man.
Because the water now move.
So, it's still, you can launch a boat from right there, so.
What's your back, man?
Oh, I just bring the boat in the water.
Practice.
From right there, sir. I'm going to drop the boat. Yeah, say mine
That
already.
big rat there.
Alright, that?
Yeah. You see him?
It's like a mongoose. Me think, oh, it's
So
to our
next
next
one
one.
there.
Me think of a mongoose. My lens can't shoot so far, no. Yeah, I walk on with her. I wonder why I do this risky behavior thing. What the board feel?
Anything for content.
Anything we got this.
Anything for content.
I'm just walk past.
So that's the making excuse why I do it so. Yeah, Abby. I try you to put the camera in front of my face.
You never factor if when it stop on something, how it take a come back up.
Whatever ND now, my youth. Yes, it's a night.
ND, I still get the weight in my youth.
Oh.
Might just smudge up my ND, dog.
Are you smudge up your ND?
I still get the clothes in, so some of my ND. Come here shoot.
But me also look well dark. Eh?
I distort your face. What did you say a while ago?
She can't believe someone bring all her Una and she not come.
And a woman. That.
What you say?
The police say you lose the magnet.
I lose the magnet. Oh. Abby, we never know say it'll go away. We never expect it to lose this, so. All the places where I go, we never expect it to lose right there, so. Abby, show your face.
No,
You're up on the vlog.
no, I'm not on the vlog.
You're up on the vlog.
Show your face, no?
No,
You're up on the vlog.
She not show her face. Show her head big, that's why. I take up all the megabytes.
Ah, yes.
Look
What
on it,
a
Abby. Look
wonderful
on it,
evening. Wonderful evening. That's a way to end it. But Raj same gone for him underwater drone in the night, yeah. Let's see how long it might take for reach. Don't walk with me now, my youth. Alright, send out the drone in the evening, yeah?
Pass him.
I'm gonna try send out the drone. Water drone in the evening.
Oh, yes, I
Bike,
think so.
bike
Look
salute.
up on that, brother.
Bike salute, man. Don't walk, then don't walk, it's fit to sing, hombre. Dog, the ISO, the 3200, you know.
Like it gets American.
It can pick up them time. Whoa, like the bright. They can pick up that underneath the water, like that.
What that?
A drone.
If you can pick up,
Oh, cause it have light on it.
roll off some of this.
Alright, bring up the ISO. Yo, hombre, me the 32,000 dog.
We know me how to do.
Pan ISO.
I put this on the ground. Just don't bounce it.
Me go, me there. For hey, bro, you can't just walk so, brother. The brother, brother, bro, brother,
To see my job through.
brother.
To see Ian a job through.
Yeah,
to
never
go
get this. Like, you know, see what you do.
See if it does.
Man, I step to that thing.
The lighting good pan this one.
Give me flashlight. Turn it around, let me see. Right, look.
The lighting good pan this one.
I'll try them further.
Anyway, you know,
It's a full frame too.
where's a full frame? We can get better lighting if we change it to the 35 of Mavic 35 and just go 1.4.
Oh, much it now?
40 grand ISO.
What the S-Up?
Eh?
What the S-Up?
A 2.8 man.
Oh, 2.8.
You can't go no, can't get no wider. I load up the drone and now that the night. Let me see if I know some me blocking or something. Probably not see myself.
Go look for the magnet.
It's not so bad. It'll pick up my, oh, it'll pick up my face. 4 grand ISO.
When? Oh, new date to come back to Portland. Yo, the sunset look nice. Yo, the sunset look nice. It turned up like when you start up a DJI drone, yeah. Right now I'm afraid to walk over this one. Man, like you know, so I'm having a man. Right. Yo, make sure I put my put this now with a box here, yeah, man.
Are you heavy?
Yeah, on the right side.
No, where you get them calf there from?
Calf?
Exercise, exercise enough.
When man talk about the man calf for that?
No, they are them.
Man,
Mother cow calf them, they better.
Claro, what kind of calf them?
Mother cow calf them, they
Alright, so I set up you now.
You crocodile like this?
No bro, like really?
Yeah, before I die, if I'm going to crocodile pan now you. I saw we tap the water and you don't see him come up, you know.
Him come for real?
Yeah.
Oh
I
yes.
think I joke. Two times.
But him never big.
No, it's a baby one.
look like about teenager.
Teenager.
Now we have a foot in there. We have the money thing that will flash the rope.
But them never know. The way him pop up, you wouldn't know say they saved it there.
Let me run.
Yeah.
So it a glitch, so.
Wait, yeah, it a glitch or?
Yeah, look at me turn it.
Oh, yeah, the signal. Probably the cable won't fit in properly. No, I probably throw a low light, man. Probably throw the light on it, not really pick up anything clear enough. Turn on the light. Cause when if something fly past, it never look glitchy. Probably that's the regular delay where they normally get.
No, man. Shouldn't alright.
Yeah, just delay.
Yeah, no fear delay.
And the water during the night, yeah. Yo, now go shine some light in my youth.
Shine some light. Wait, there's something so go on.
Where flashlight? Oh.
So now come closer, my youth. You even want to drop off another water, yeah. Mosquito move away. Touch the water, I'll sexy right now.
My phone good after you know.
Yo, that's I'm putting my phone in one box right beside of me. I throw it off in now. Watch it. Splash.
Nice, man. I have a story.
I want to never reload now.
You know, you must have that, next time we reload, you know.
Reload man. We can't reload.
Watch it. Headlight them, my youth.
Yeah, it look nice, dog.
You see? Yeah, the headlight look cool.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, this attract enough fish.
Probably we'll have whole like it.
You don't attract no fish?
Yeah, it attract enough fish. Watch it, all the things in the water move inside it.
Turn down the eye so someone can see underneath the water better. Yeah.
No, I'm not change it.
You bring it back up? You not get no connection.
Can pull it with this, huh?
See power there, to move. The reverse. Ian, you shall lock the car now.
You should have the car.
You can your back turn to the car.
But one door,
No, wait, nah.
No, my side door them. But that's so good, man. You can't watch it.
May wear glasses, dog. Oh, yeah, I can see it.
When I say, oh, you got this, my youth.
Who's to that? Pedro?
It's
Nah.
in a connect? Crap.
Pop bill, girl. Sit on my body.
Dog, you know bother with them things upon my vlog, dog. It a move now.
Well, you're not seeing an image, but the controller works.
Send it forward. It a move now. Go forward, man. Come on, see. Hold on there. The wire bend there, so.
Tap go switch on.
Oh. Bomba. Thing are going there.
Yeah, remember to switch on the card first. So you can have.
You not sync. Probably need to just pull off the car and switch it on. I think that's bright. It gone deeper. Watch it, it gone deeper. Watch it. Yo, this stuff. Yo. Thing gone deep, you know. Yeah, try go deeper. Yo, watch it. We can see the ground.
Watch out, we can see the ground, yes sir. Ground literally there, yes sir. Yeah. That's sick, dog.
Man, you see a pass a face.
Watch you fish them, fish them free there.
Yeah. I want that right there, so you see that noise?
How about that?
One car, one rope like.
Oh.
Don't go in there.
Turn back.
Man, that's a turn back.
Yeah, see there, look. Look right there, sir.
Oh, I know, man. It's a float.
It's a float. But the fish them said the bow book like that, bro. Sick.
But, watch it,
get that video out for it quicker.
why can't it show look better than night?
We can show that. Quick from a phone.
It does sync now? Does sync now?
Yeah, something wrong with it, dog.
Yes, sir?
No wrong with it.
It never does sync.
Sick.
All that.
All that.
Wow, hold on.
All that.
Yeah, gone forward. Come back.
See there?
Shit.
There in the water.
That?
Watch out, an octopus is an octopus.
That's starfish.
A starfish?
Yeah, I see them already. Remember the one we say Port
No man, I
Royal?
swear to God, octopus dog.
Remember the one we say Port Royal?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You
I
have
see
enough
that
card?
Yeah, man, no help there, man.
I want that right there, so.
No, fish.
Shrimp that?
I want shrimp that.
Oh, that's what it is now.
You record? No, I mean, no, man, not record. I'm not really that serious.
I don't want to explore my youth.
No one is an expert, not record.
Dog, if it there work properly, we could have not watch it.
No, most, the one that's go through.
Yeah.
Come on.
We out there, say it there.
Yo.
Wait,
Yo.
no.
Oh.
Come make it.
Don't catch the thing.
Light on, but me just like I said, light turn off.
And catch the thing again. This nice one, you.
Yeah, bro. I don't know, I'm gonna see it. Oh, the way over there, sir.
But YouTube channel this now, you know. Just to see what they at the bottom of the water.
Douche. Oh, I think I catch that
Dog
again.
wood.
Yeah.
Dad, this look like
What that?
come like me and fly through space.
Dog.
Let us
Yeah, man.
Watch it, bomba! Yo, it's a moving, man.
Wait, we need more length. Wait.
What you say? Hold on.
Wait. Flick.
You can't reach the ground yet.
Flick back a thing there.
You can't reach the ground yet.
Flick over
Let's
so.
see.
No, cause you're above the water, you know the low. You have to, you know, turn it down.
Oh. Wait,
Yeah, that above the water. You have to go back down.
I don't know that will work.
Oh, you have the issue for you if like, yeah, you now go back down now.
One again?
Nah, go down.
One again? Flick it back so.
Yeah, who you over this one?
Like it go down.
Well, it in a come up above the water. Mine run up in a bubble. Yeah, you like it did low. Yeah, it go down. Go again. You come at light. Can't see it. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of like a magical power thing.
Oh, we over there.
Yeah man, we out the set there.
No, I think that.
You not sink now. Mine make it wrap around that's something there now. You hear me say? Yeah, me I say mine make it wrap around the crap. Crap. No, that nah, sink now. So that's a wrap. Give me something like that, Ian. Not red. White. White, that. Oh shit, that's a lighter back, man. Man, so that's a wrap. Just shine the go-go light on them. Yeah, so that's a wrap. Yeah, man.
So that's a wrap. You know? I fly some drone. Shine the go-go light down there, sir.
Mine made the controller drop in the water, you know.
No, I'll go on for this, yeah.
No, the motor move shaky.
It's like you catch some line or something. Yeah, knife or nothing for you.
Look, you see light, you see knife?
Yeah. Alright, that's all.
You know,
This one want to go.
key.
Yeah, for that clog up is it, make it
Most
not
that.
dive.
Outside.
What's the boy knife?